Hi guys, so before we get into this video, let me just give you a backstory about this room. So we've been living here, I have been living here basically all my life. My father has been living in this rental for like before he even married my mother, honestly. So it's a very old building, and it seems very comfortable here. I honestly don't know why. My mother hates this place. She really hates it, but she says she'd rather move from here to her own house instead of a rental. So basically she just renovated the place, tiled the floors, changed the furnitures, and painted the whole house. So that's basically why we are still here. I think everybody but my father hates this house. So this room has been like this. It wasn't always orange, it was yellow before, and we painted it, and then I think it got worse because we didn't actually initially want this paint. The painter did anyhow and bought anyhow. My dad didn't even complain when school when this happened, so we just came back to meet this. So basically I'm sick and tired of living here, so I didn't really care about this room before because I was mostly in school than at home. But after this COVID thing, I've been at home for a long time, and it is really bothering me now, so I really have to do something about this room. Okay, so the room doesn't always look like this. Apart from the walls, it doesn't always look like this. We just came back from, like, we traveled, so everywhere was kind of like upside down, and that's why some places are dusty and everything. We didn't even park, like we haven't unpacked and everything. We just decided to just move stuff out and paint it straight out instead of like moving and unpacking and you get. So that's why it's in this state. But the walls, there are no excuses for these walls, honestly. So I'm just going to try and turn this old bedroom into something a little bit more presentable. Yeah, with this room, I really don't even know where to start from, because you see, the person that did this room is going to suffer seriously in health, because if you can notice, see the walls, he just coated them once. Why would you come and do a professional job and just coat walls once? He coated them once. He was trying to, like, what do you call, fill these holes. This is what he did. I know, I just sandpapered this off. This was what he did. The guy did not try one bit. He didn't even try. Coated it once, he didn't try. The roof, the same thing, coated it once. I mean, the roof is already old enough. Can't you at least try? I'm going to take that off. I do not like it, and I so I'm going to change the color, but I only have so much. Trying to take that off too, by God's grace. Basically, I have so much to do in this room, and I really hope I'm successful with everything, because this room is even nice. That's it, guys.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking, living the highs and lows. I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? It's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean waves. I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away. Are we falling deep, or are we just pretending? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be, or are we second has a low sound, keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
Tape. There was one here too. I just removed it. He didn't remove the sellotape that was used. My friend went kids. He kept some sellotape on the wall. He didn't remove. He painted on the whole thing. Guy. Ha. Nigga. Right now. This is what I have to do. This is what I still have to do. I still have to do all this. I'm going to sleep here. This is going to take us 1 whole week. Ah! So, we painted the edges. We did a miserable job.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Old. I don't know what else I can do with it, but that is a mess on itself. So my dad came back and he wasn't impressed at all. He kept shouting and shouting that I've ruined his furniture and that I don't paint furniture, that I should clean it now and all that. I should get kerosene or petrol and start cleaning it. The man was furious with me. As far as I'm concerned, I didn't even know what to do. I wanted to cry. I had headache. I just went to sleep and I ate. I took painkillers. I woke up and I continued because I wasn't feeling it anymore. I was down, but I continued and it kind of went okay. Okay, so we are almost done. We're cleaning up the floor. Basically, we're cleaning up. We didn't paint this anymore because we were actually scared, but look at the bed. It turned out really, really pretty. And now I just regret not painting the wood, but oh well, and the door too, it's not so bad. Hey, just me. So we're done. What's the time? It's after 8 or so. I'm just trying to clean the floor again tomorrow. This is our door. My sister decided to touch this with her hand, and the OCD in me is killing me right now. So if it gets pre-painted, I'll just paint, because I don't have the strength to repaint this, honestly. And then this is so far our bed. Didn't turn out so bad. It's quite cute if you ask me. My mattress will be here, so I don't really stress myself with that. The knife and the hanger and everything. Whatever, we'll clear it out and we made that. I did not do this shelf and it's really paining me. I'm still going to do something here. I'll just wait and see. I'm still going to do something on a shelf. I'm satisfied with the bed, and I'm satisfied with the fact that I didn't spoil it and my father isn't going to send me out. I'm going to spray paint this definitely, and this is old and ugly, and the hand of the doctor. Basically spray paint everything.